Consider a scenario where a wife, after years of contributing to the household and raising children, faces the daunting prospect of losing everything. Understanding your legal rights and the steps for a fair division of assets is crucial. This video will help you navigate Maryland divorce laws and ensure you receive your rightful share. Let's explore the key aspects that can protect your interests and provide a fair outcome. So, how does the court determine how assets are divided? The length of the marriage is significant. Longer marriages, for example, often result in a more even split of assets. Another key factor is the contributions of each spouse to the marriage. This includes financial contributions and non-financial ones, like homemaking and child rearing. Economic circumstances also play a role. If one spouse earns significantly more than the other, the court might award the lower earning spouse a larger portion of the assets to maintain a similar standard of living post-divorce. Marital property and division of assets isn't just about money. It includes any asset acquired during the marriage. This can be anything from homes and cars to bank accounts and investments. Even if one spouse's name is on the title, it can still be considered marital property. Non-marital property, on the other hand, includes assets owned before the marriage or received as gifts or inheritance. These usually remain with the original owner. However, if non-marital property was commingled with marital assets, it might be considered marital property. For example, if a wife inherited money and deposited it into a joint account, it could be divided during the divorce. Marital debt also gets divided along with assets. The court considers who benefited from the debt and each spouse's ability to pay. This helps to ensure that the debt division is fair. In Maryland, both spouses have the right to ask for a fair share of the marital property. You can also seek spousal support, commonly known as alimony. The court considers many factors when deciding on alimony. These include the ability of each spouse to be self-supporting and the time needed for education or training. The standard of living during the marriage is also considered. Spousal support, or alimony, helps the lower earning spouse maintain a reasonable standard of living. In Maryland, there are different types of alimony: temporary, rehabilitative, and indefinite. Temporary alimony provides support during the divorce process, while rehabilitative alimony helps the spouse gain the skills needed to be self-supporting. Indefinite alimony continues as long as the recipient needs it or until the court decides that it should end. For instance, in a marriage where a wife gave up her career to support her husband's job, the court might award her rehabilitative alimony to help her gain new skills or education. Knowing your legal rights in a divorce is essential. Consulting a lawyer can help you navigate the process and secure a fair settlement. A lawyer can guide you through what to expect and how to protect your interests. Gathering financial documents is another crucial step. This includes bank statements, tax returns, and records of any assets or debts. Having a clear picture of the marital estate helps ensure a fair division. This transparency can prevent disputes and make negotiations smoother. Additionally, it's important to keep your emotions in check during negotiations. Divorce is an emotional process, but staying focused on the practical aspects can lead to a better outcome. Don't hesitate to seek support from professionals like financial advisors or therapists. Financial advisors can help you plan for your future post-divorce, ensuring you make informed decisions about asset division and alimony. Therapists can provide emotional support and help you cope with the stress of the divorce. Finally, stay informed about Maryland divorce laws and your rights. Knowledge is your best tool in securing a fair outcome. Regularly communicate with your lawyer and ask questions if anything is unclear. The more you understand the process, the better you can advocate for yourself. Divorce is never easy, but understanding your rights can make the process smoother. In Maryland, the goal is equity. Each case is unique, so the division of assets and determination of alimony will vary. By understanding the factors the court considers, you can better prepare for what lies ahead. Schedule a consultation with Blattner Family Law Group today and discover which divorce path is right for you.